How to fix Roblox unapproved third-party applications or extensions detected. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can fix the Roblox third-party applications or extensions detected error. First of all, you need to close any conflicting programs. So right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. So this error can occur if you have games like Fortnite or other programs with anti-cheat systems. So in the Task Manager, look under the background processes. Quickly find the applications that has anti-cheat systems running. Right-click on it and then select End Task. Another thing you can do is you can simply go ahead and restart your computer. After that, also try reinstalling Roblox. For that, in the search bar, type in Add or Remove Programs and open it. Now from the list, search for Roblox. Tap on it and then tap on Uninstall. Tap on Uninstall again to confirm and you'll be done. Now go to the official homepage of Roblox.com, log into your account, scroll down and find any game that you'd like to play. Tap on the play button and the Roblox will be automatically installed on your computer. Or you can also go ahead and launch the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type in Roblox. And once you find it, simply tap on it and then tap on Install. And you'll be done. So hopefully one of these methods will solve the problem. If it does, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.